To withdraw money from a drive-through teller. Start by locating a bank with a drive-through service. Look for a bank with a designated drive-through lane, usually marked with signs indicating the lane is for banking services. Once you have identified the drive-through lane, pull your vehicle into the lane and position it in front of the drive-through window or tube. The tube is typically a vacuum-powered system used to exchange documents and cash between you and the teller. Next, take a moment to gather the necessary items, including your bank card or account information and a valid form of identification. You will need to provide this information to the teller to verify your identity and access your account. When you are ready, pick up the phone or intercom at the drive-through window and let the teller know you would like to make a withdrawal. The teller will ask for your account information and identification, so be prepared to provide this information. After verifying your account information, the teller will ask how much you would like to withdraw. Let them know the amount, and they will process the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, the teller will send the cash and a receipt through the tube. Remove the cash and receipt from the tube, and review the receipt to ensure the transaction was processed correctly. Before driving away, take a moment to verify that you have received the correct amount of cash and that your account information is accurate. If everything is in order, you can drive away, completing the withdrawal process. To ensure a smooth transaction, it is essential to have all necessary information readily available and to carefully review the receipt before driving away. Additionally, be mindful of your surroundings and keep your vehicle in gear, ready to drive away, to avoid any potential safety risks. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily withdraw money from a drive-through teller, making it a convenient option for managing your banking needs on the go.